Well, hi there everyone. Here we've got a common old doorknob. I bought it the other day from a charity shop, brand new. Unlock. To lock it, you press the button in at the back and that locks it. Key. Unlocked it. Lock it again. Bitting on the key. Okay. Now again, rather than put the wrench on the top or the bottom, I actually put it across the keyway. It sort of works well for me, so while it continues to work well, I'll continue to put it across the keyway. Using a short, stumpy hook. The thing about these common unbranded 5-pin doorknobs is you never really know how difficult they're going to be until you bring them home and start playing with them. Some are relatively easy, some can be relatively difficult. This one is relatively easy. Might not look like that on camera, but when I get it right, it is relatively easy. Probably can't see it anyway. There it goes. Geez, it's hard though. Ugh. Okay, there it is, unlocked. Alright, okay, well, thanks for watching that. Hooroo.